You need to hear this if you're a tech enthusiast. Let's unravel the mystery of software applications. These little icons on your screen are more than just colorful squares. They are gateways to a world of possibilities. Imagine a smartphone without its apps. No games, no social media, no camera. It would be like having a blank canvas with no paint. That's because software applications, or apps for short, are the brains behind our devices. They transform our gadgets from simple hardware into powerful tools. They're like sets of instructions that tell our computers, phones and tablets what to do. Think of them as the directors of a movie, guiding every scene and action. From browsing the web to editing photos, apps power our digital lives. They enable us to connect, create and explore in ways we never thought possible. Software applications are everywhere, making our lives easier and more fun. Whether it's tracking your fitness goals or managing your calendar, there's an app for that. They're the reason you can chat with friends across the globe, watch your favorite movies, or even learn a new language, all at your fingertips. Apps bring the world to you no matter where you are. So next time you open an app, remember that you're unleashing the power of software. These tiny programs are the unsung heroes of our digital age, making everything possible with just a tap or a swipe. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology. Now let's meet the two main types of software: system software and application software. These two categories are essential for the functioning and usability of any computer system. Think of system software as the behind-the-scenes crew. It's the unsung hero that makes everything else possible. It's like the stagehands, lighting technicians, and sound engineers who ensure a smooth performance. Without them, the show simply couldn't go on. Operating systems like Windows and macOS are prime examples of system software. They are the backbone of your computer's functionality. They manage the computer's hardware and provide a platform for other software to run. This includes handling memory, processing tasks, and managing files. On the other hand, application software is like the actors who take center stage. These are the programs that users interact with directly. These are the apps we interact with directly to perform specific tasks like browsing the web, writing documents, or playing games. They make our computers useful and enjoyable. So while system software sets the stage, application software steals the show. Together, they create a seamless and efficient computing experience, each playing a crucial role in the overall performance. Follow Esther Young for more tips on software and technology. Let's dive into the exciting world of application software and explore some everyday heroes that make our digital lives a breeze. From surfing the vast expanse of the internet to creating stunning documents, these software applications are our trusty sidekicks in the digital realm. Get ready to meet the champions of productivity and entertainment, simplifying complex tasks and unleashing our creativity. Let's explore how these essential tools empower us to connect, create, and explore like never before. Imagine a world without Google, YouTube, or online shopping. That's what life would be like without web browsers. These software applications are our portals to the vast digital landscape of the internet. They allow us to access websites, navigate through web pages, and interact with online content. From checking the latest news to connecting with friends on social media, web browsers are our constant companions in the digital age. Popular examples include Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. So, next time you're surfing the web, remember that it's your trusty web browser that's guiding the way. Word processors, where words come to life. Remember the days of typewriters and handwritten essays? Word processors have revolutionized the way we write, edit, and format text documents. These software applications provide a digital canvas for our thoughts and ideas, empowering us to create professional-looking documents with ease. With features like spell check, grammar correction, and formatting tools, word processors have become indispensable tools for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to communicate effectively through the written word. Popular examples include Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and Apple Pages. Spreadsheets, crunching numbers with ease. Spreadsheets are the unsung heroes of the software world, making complex calculations and data analysis a breeze. These applications organize data in rows and columns, allowing us to perform calculations, create charts and graphs, and gain valuable insights from our data. From managing personal finances to analyzing business trends, spreadsheets are versatile tools used across various fields. Popular examples include Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, and Apple Notes. So, next time you need to crunch some numbers, remember that spreadsheets are your trusty sidekicks in the world of data. Getting started, installing software on your computer. Installing software is like welcoming a new friend to your computer. It's the process of copying the necessary files from a source like a CD, DVD, or the internet to your computer's hard drive. Once installed, the software can be accessed and used just like any other program. Most software comes with an installation wizard that guides you through the process step by step. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be up and running in no time. Saying goodbye. Uninstalling software you no longer need. Just like we sometimes outgrow our old toys, there might be times when you no longer need a particular software application on your computer. Uninstalling software is like bidding farewell to that old friend, freeing up valuable storage space and keeping your computer running smoothly. Most operating systems provide a built-in uninstaller that makes the process a breeze. Simply locate the software you want to remove, click uninstall, and follow the on-screen prompts. Your computer will thank you for it. Software, your gateway to a world of possibilities. Congratulations, tech explorers. You've embarked on an incredible journey. You've journeyed through the world of software applications, from understanding their fundamental role in our digital lives to exploring the diverse capabilities of web browsers, word processors, and spreadsheets. Each application serves a unique purpose, enhancing our productivity and creativity in ways we never imagined. Remember, software is constantly evolving, with new applications and updates emerging all the time. This evolution brings about innovative features and improved functionalities, making our digital experiences more seamless and efficient. Embrace the ever-changing landscape of the digital world, and never stop exploring the endless possibilities that software applications unlock. The digital realm is vast and full of potential, waiting for you to discover and harness its power. From connecting with loved ones across the globe to pursuing your passions with newfound creativity and efficiency, software empowers us to live richer, more fulfilling lives. Whether it's through social media, video calls, or creative tools, software bridges gaps and brings us closer together. So keep exploring, keep learning, and let software be your guide on this exciting digital adventure. The future is bright, and with each new application, a new door opens, leading you to a world of endless opportunities and discoveries. As we conclude this journey, remember the key points we've discussed: the fundamental role of software in our digital lives, the diverse capabilities of different applications, and the continuous evolution of technology. Each step forward in software development brings new tools to enhance our lives. Stay curious, stay inspired, and continue to explore the vast world of software applications. The more you learn, the more empowered you'll become. Dive deeper, experiment, and let your creativity soar. The world of software is your gateway to endless possibilities. Happy exploring?